With so many email service providers out there, how do you actually choose the right one for your business? This is actually the gist of today's conversation, and here's an overview I want you to really pay attention to. So, which email marketing service is right for your team depends on your business needs and goals. You want to consider a couple of factors when it comes to choosing the right tool for you. So, first of all, think about the send volume. Very important. Do the send limits, and their corresponding price points make sense for your business plans for the near future? So, it's not just about the short term. Think about the medium term, like 3 years from now, not just 3 months from now, but 3 years from now, because your company will be growing. What about migration? Can you easily migrate customer data from an existing platform into the new one? What about integrations? If you need to, can you use your email list for retargeting ads on social media and around the web? Does the platform work with your existing CRM, online store, and other systems? So CRM, client relationship management software tool. What about design? Do the available templates and customization options fit your brand? Do the free themes and templates include features that serve your needs? What about ease of use? How easily can you create and send an email or set up an automation? And will you need to hire an email specialist, designer, or coder to build emails? What about autonomy and customization? So how much control do you have over the look and feel of your emails and newsletters? Does the platform have the functionality you need? Will your customers see the software's logo on your emails? So here is a constellation of questions that you need to answer. Now, the thing here is that everything starts with your goals, with your business goals and needs, right? I mean, do you need branding? Do you need customization? Do you need to have do you want to resonate more with your audience? So it's all a matter of I want to choose the generic template that the email service provider is giving me versus I want to have something customized. I want to have something bespoke. And also, you have to think about the nature of the email that you want to send. Are you sending a transactional email or an informational email? Are you sending an event-driven email, or are you sending a general purpose email? So those are things you have to pay attention to. Obviously, if you're sending a transactional email versus, let's say, a birthday email, which is like an event-driven, like a general purpose email, the conditions are not the same. So make sure you have a service provider that understands those subtleties. Here is the approach I really want you to pay attention to. So when we analyze how to choose, when we are thinking about how to choose an email service provider, we want to go back to the origins to really understand what we're speaking about. So what is email marketing? So whether you're an experienced marketer or a newbie, we really want to, sometimes it's good to go back to the origins so everybody has a clear idea about what we're speaking about, because sometimes people say things, they actually allude to concepts they have no idea about. So email marketing is the oldest form of digital marketing and is relatively simple to implement and maintain. At its core, email marketing consists of just 5 elements. 5. And we love the fact that this quintet hasn't changed ever in the last 20 years. So building your email list, segmenting your email list, maintaining your email list, consistently sending useful content, and measuring email campaign results. I want to repeat that. We're going to show you on the screen. We're going to show the list on the screen. Here is a quintet you need to pay attention to when it comes to email marketing. So building your email list, segmenting your email list, maintaining your email list, consistently sending useful content, and measuring email campaign results. So when we talk about building your email list, you're able to gain email subscribers through in-person and online sales activities or by using lead magnets such as free ebooks, webinars, coupons, and trial subscriptions. In terms of segmenting your email list, segmenting organizes email subscribers into categories called segments based on interest, location, items purchased, and website and blog interactions. Maintaining your email list means that you are removing email addresses that are undeliverable or they never open your emails regularly. This can actually improve your email delivery rates. And consistently sending useful content. So consistency is key to email success, and so is sending engaging content that provides value to your readers. And also, what about measuring email campaign results? Well, tracking email open and click-through rates and running A/B tests for subject line and copy content helps improve results. So this is kind of cool. So all of this is easily accomplished with cost-effective and often free email marketing tools and software. So when we talk about how to choose an email service provider, we pay attention to those to that quintet of elements, but it's really important to understand that email marketing is vital to your success, because email is one form of digital communication that virtually everyone uses on an ongoing basis. Social media and other forms of digital advertising can reach very large audiences, but no single platform competes with the number of active email users. Plus, email offers a personal touchpoint, since you can target email messages to specific subscriber interest easily. And email marketing also has extremely low startup and ongoing cost. Small businesses can use top-rated email marketing software and tools for less than $50 per month. Most platforms offer free plans until you reach a certain level of subscribers, so this is really good. So let me give you the steps you want to follow right now if you want to improve your email marketing strategy. The first thing you want to do here is that when we think about email marketing, you have to think about a process that has a few moving parts. But one thing you need to remember here is that successful campaigns boil down to this following 6 factors. First, you want to use tools made for email marketing, not for anything else, just for email marketing. So you want to narrow down the capabilities and the functionalities, so you can run an effective email marketing campaign using a standard email service. Yes, you can send bulk and blast emails from Outlook, Office 365, and Gmail. However, none provide email list building and maintenance tools, list segmentation, attractive email templates, campaign reporting, or list scrubbing features. So to achieve business building results, you need software designed specifically for email marketing, or at least a customer relationship management system with email features. Okay, I'll talk about that later on, but yet it's very important to use tools that are made specifically for email marketing. That's the first step. Second step is you need to build your email list proactively. So when we talk about building an email list, this thing doesn't happen overnight. And you want to start building your list by collecting customer email addresses during your sales process or client interaction. And however, don't limit your email list building opportunities to only these interactions. You can actually entice potential leads and customers to give you their email addresses before they ever spend a dime with you. The secret is using lead magnets. So these are value-added freebies such as ebooks, webinars, checklist downloads, free trials, and even coupons. Okay, and the thing here is that to get new email subscribers, promote lead magnet items on your website, landing pages, social media channels, and so on, and require an email sign up to download or receive the freebie. And if the viewer perceives value, he or she will happily provide his or her email address and opt into your email list in exchange. So this is like a value added, a win-win solution for you, but also for the viewer. But it's really important that you add value through the lead magnet. You got to add value. If you don't add value, then it's not going to happen. The third thing I want you to do here is to segment your list by user intent. Okay, so when we talk about segmenting your list here, we're speaking about what? Well, segmenting divides your email subscriber list by user interest and is a key strategy to email marketing success. So using segmentation, you can target content to specific subscriber groups and deliver real value to readers. Campaigns that use segmentation have higher open rates and fewer unsubscribes compared to those that send generalized messaging to all subscribers. You can segment email subscribers in several ways, such as by purchasing history, website interactions, and lead magnet types. Most email marketing solutions even let you add interesting questions to your sign-up emails. Most email marketing tools have customizable email sign-up forms to help you build segmented list automatically. If you go with GetResponse or MailChimp, this is really cool. Now, many email marketing tools integrate with website and retail platforms for automated segmentation based on sales history and website interactions too. So this is kind of cool here. So when we talk about how to choose an email service provider, obviously we have to pay attention to engaging your readers at every step, right? It's all about maintaining that communication, that earlier communication. So you have to engage your readers, across I would say throughout their itinerary, throughout their customer journey. So once you have your email subscriber list, you are ready to create and send content that delivers value to your segmented subscribers. Here you have 5 opportunities to engage subscribers and entice them to open, read, and perform an action in your email. So you basically, you can do from line, to your business or promotion name that subscribers will recognize and trust. The subject line, the short phrase that catches their eye as they scan their inbox. So pre-header line, so this supports the subject line with an added attachment to open the email. You have the email content, so short and punchy message such as a promotion, news update, or announcement. You have a call to action, so buttons or highlighted links drive click-throughs back to your shopping pages, sign-up forms, or whatever action you wish subscribers to take. So when you send your emails, you have to understand that you're also thinking about the engagement. You have a process that revolves around engagement, opens and clicks. And most experts agree that email marketing should hit inboxes at 10 a.m. or 2 p.m. on business days. Data also shows that Mondays tend to have the highest open rates, or of 22% to 25% on average, while weekend open rates run lower at about 20%. So those are things you need to know about. The next thing you want to do here is to measure your email marketing campaign results, right? So after your message is sent, you'll be able to review key metrics, including the number of email bounces, how many subscribers opened your email, and how many clicked on your CTA links and buttons. And if you follow the send at 10 a.m. Or 2 p.m. rule, you'll have a good picture of the success of your campaign within 8 to 10 hours. After about a day, new email opens tend to just trickle in. And tracking and measuring email opens and CTA clicks helps you gauge the messaging that works for your audience. A/B testing different emails from lines, subject lines, pre-headers, and CTAs help you fine-tune and pinpoint which phrasing and offers get your readers to click. So it's all about the trials and errors, right? This is an ongoing process whereby you learn to know you learn to know what your audience wants. You learn to tweak things around, and you are able to constantly engage with your audience no matter what. So this is really good. And it is, again, if you want to increase your open rates, you want to segment. That's what I said earlier. Segmenting really plays an important role here. And the next thing you want to do here is to scrub, rinse, and repeat. So bounced emails happen. It's just part of the process. Don't take it personally. Okay? Don't be stressed about it. This means what? The email you sent was undeliverable due to a bad email address format, a blocked email, or a fake email address. To maintain the health of your email list and improve overall deliverability, bounced emails need to be removed or scrubbed from your list. And the cool thing is that most email marketing systems make this step easy. So once a scrub of bounced emails is complete, you are ready to actually jump back to step 4 and run another campaign on the schedule you set. So what is step 4? Step 4 is engage your readers at every step. Okay. Now I just want to say that you need to remember to use what you learned from previous campaigns to improve your messaging each time. It's all about trials and errors. That's what I just said. It's all about trials and errors. So you learn from the last campaign to improve the next campaign. You learn from the last campaign to improve the next campaign. Last and next, those are really important. I want to give you a bonus here. So when we talk about how to choose an email service provider, it's important to understand that the best email platform really depends on your needs. Which email marketing platform is best for your business depends on your goals and needs. Most platforms offer basic features including newsletters, landing pages, automation, audience segmentation, and reporting. So to find one that stands out for you, look for differences in pricing, integrations, and additional features such as website builders and social media ads. And it's really important to choose the right sort of platform/software because email marketing software has become quite essential for a number of things. Email is one of the most effective means to reach out to customers and potential customers. And let's say for all types of businesses, B2B, B2C, C2C, it doesn't really matter, both retail and non-retail. It is a cost-effective way to reach a mass audience quickly and easily to generate leads, share news and information, and market your services and products. And in addition to being affordable, email marketing software is unique to use and can be a way of connecting with your client base in a way that creates customers for life, right? If you want to trigger customer loyalty, email marketing, when done right, is one of the most perfect tools. And so, what are the different types of email marketing? Well, email marketing includes promotional marketing, such as sales event and coupon offers. We have retention marketing, such as newsletters or announcements, and information marketing through webinars and videos. And so, in terms of the most cost-effective email marketing tool, it really depends. It really depends. We can't really say Mailchimp is the best, or Marketing Hub is the best. No, it really depends, and it really depends on what's really, what you're looking for. But when it comes to the most popular free email marketing services, Mailchimp is really up there. You can use the service for free. I would say with up to 2,000 contacts, and automations and segmentations are available on the free plan. Its price is not competitive once you have more than 2,000 subscribers, though, so you may need to migrate to a new service as you grow. So it's one of those things you have to think about. Now, the way we analyze email marketing is that we consider this an operational expense. So if you're a small business, if you're a mid-sized business, or a large business for that matter, email marketing is really an advertising cost. So it's just better to pay for it as opposed to actually looking for freebies. And so when we talk about how to choose an email service provider, it's also important to understand that there is an ROI that revolves around that choice, right? And how does email marketing make money, really? Because otherwise, why would you spend so much money in trying to really build something that's not adding value to your bottom line? Now, email marketing makes money by driving direct sales and promotions. Plus, it increases overall brand awareness for customer retention. And customer retention is really where the juice is really at, because you're trying to build a platform that will help you generate sales over time, right? So we're not just selling in the short run, but we're selling over the long run. We're selling all the time. And affiliate marketing, downloadable items, and membership registrations are other ways to make money using email marketing. And you can actually run email marketing for free. Yeah. Most email marketing systems offer free starter accounts based on total subscribers or the number of emails sent per month. But as I just said, it's just a lot better to have quick access to the full suite of capabilities by paying for a plan. Okay, and the thing is that there has been a debate going on for the last, I would say, since the COVID started and until COVID ended. People were thinking, well, is email marketing preferable to social media marketing? And in our view, you need both. While there is nothing wrong with having a campaign that includes both email marketing and social media marketing, you are more likely to get more engagement from email marketing. So because the thing is that people see their emails as something more private, whereas social media is more like, okay, more general. If you want to really think of it that way. In our research, actually, the conversion rate through emails is higher, way higher than what you get via social media. And also, the open click-through engagement rate using email is like it's about 25% in our research for an open rate, and 3.71% for a click-through rate for email, compared to an engagement rate of only 0.5% on social media. And if you really think about, let's say, TikTok, don't even go there. TikTok or Snapchat, where the audience seems to be younger, if you send emails, you're not going to survive, because it's not the right platform to actually implement a social media marketing campaign. So it really depends on the social media, but let's just say in general, if you have to compare and contrast email marketing versus like email marketing and social media marketing, you will go with social media marketing. But hey, listen, if there are cases where you can do both, why not?